Hey guys, it's Mr. Dave with the RayKitty Creation Workshop. I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek into where these sessions are going to be held. We are in the Nest Abq, and it is a very beautiful, mindful space for learning and absorbing that knowledge and enjoying yourself while you're doing it. You can see right into the very nice reception area, so while the students are in here doing their learning, you can relax in there, do your work, or just chill out for a minute. The sessions are a combination of demonstration and hands-on with these scientific principles. Then we will explain a little bit and explore a little bit deeper into these concepts. That makes these sessions great for the younger guys as well as our more advanced students. The younger guys get the wow, ooh, fun science, and the older guys get some of these deeper scientific principles and concepts. And the science isn't just for kids. RayKitty can come to your corporate events, your team building exercises, your weddings, your birthdays, anywhere you want to spice up with a little bit of science, we can be there. We can do everything from stage demonstrations to at table, in-person, little hands-on things. So we would love to be at your event. RayKitty Creation Workshop is open and ready for you. Remember, have fun with science.